Dumela, welcome back to Setswana
Hello.
class. We are going to continue our lessons
Welcome.
on vocabulary.
Thank you.
Ra go tswella ka dithuto tsa rona. Yeah. Kuka, carry, kukile, carried. Senya, destroy, senze, destroyed. Diega, delay. Diegile, delayed. Itshwarela, forgive. Itshwaretse, forgave. Itse, no. Itsile, new. Nna, stay. Ntse, stayed. Tsaya, take. Tsere, took. Ke kuka bag. I have to carry my bag. Ke kukile bag. I carried my bag. O seka wa senya. Do not destroy. O sentse. You have destroyed. O seka wa diega. Don't delay. Ke diegile. I've been delayed. Ke a go itshwarela. I forgive you. Ke go itshwaretse. I forgave you. Ke itse leina la gago. I know who you are. Sale ke itsile gore o mang. I knew who you were. Ke nna ko Gaborone. I stay ko Gaborone. In Gaborone. I stayed in Gaborone. Ke batla go tsaya dikgakololo. I have to take your advice. Ke tsere kgakololo ya gago. I took your advice. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Yes. Until we meet again next time. Stay well. And please subscribe to this channel. Thank you to everybody who's been subscribing and watching and liking our videos. That helps a lot with the algorithm and all that good stuff. So thank you.